Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping. Make sure the Solo 3 battery is above 20% and the headphones are powered on. Now, press and hold the power button until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode so devices can see it. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Keep devices within about 3 meters. Once done, close other Bluetooth apps and move away from crowded 2.4 GHz networks to reduce interference while you pair. With the Solo 3 in pairing mode, scan your device's Bluetooth list and tap the item labeled Beats Solo 3. You may see a prompt to accept pairing, tap Allow, or, rarely, enter the short code shown on your screen. Once connected, make sure the device shows as audio output. Also, open the Beats or phone settings to check for firmware updates, keeping firmware current fixes compatibility and battery reporting issues. If the name doesn't appear, move closer and rescan. To finish, play audio and confirm both channels, microphone, and track controls work. Make sure the Beats Solo 3 is selected as the default audio device in your system's sound settings, and verify source volume limits are not muted. If audio skips or the headset won't reconnect, reset the headphones by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds. This clears remembered devices so you can reinitiate pairing. That reset fixes most stubborn pairing issues because it
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.